The Xtrallux has been our device of choice because of the additional diodes. It has the most diodes available on the market, which is 352. This is about a 6-minute treatment per day. It's just under 6 minutes of a streaming series of 650 nanometer wavelength of light that will that's typically done in the morning while your Keurig is warming up or while you're having coffee and getting ready for your day. My name is Mark Bishara, Dr. Mark Bishara, and we practice the full gamut of cosmetic surgery here at the Paragon Plastic Surgery Center in Med Spa. So we do face, body, and breast, which includes hair transplant. And we have 2 locations here in Dallas-Fort Worth. Over the last, we're in year 15 now, we have been using low-level light technology since day 1. So we've been using lasers from back when they strobed, before they were streamers, and using devices that had a handful of lasers to now having the bigger devices like the 352 by Xtrallux. This 650 nanometer wavelength of light that you can shine on a telogen follicle and help 98% of those that are still living to reverse and go into an anagen growth phase is something that we do on a daily basis. We're doing that every day in our practice, especially on those patients from ages 20 to 50. You know, from guys from ages 20 to 50 can lose hair sometimes at alarming rates. But during those prodrome phases of excessive hair loss, these can really help slow down shedding and slow down hair loss, and you know, as sold therapies for patients who don't want to take medications. These are topical and they have very very low worry about having any kind of side effects. You need to know about the Xtrallux device. This is by far and away the most powerful laser on the market today for your use for low-level light technology. FDA clearance is very important to us. The fact that Xtrallux has gone through that 510(k) application process and being clearance shows that they are serious about being considered as a varsity level medical device.